Hey guys, Alethea again. Here's part 2 of my Simplicity.com sale haul, pattern haul. So first we have row 2034, and this is the only easy pattern that I have, and it is called Mrs. Shorts and Pants, sailor style shorts or pants, fitted through hip, sit on the natural waist, have front flap with button closure. And this pattern is shorts and pants. This is what I'm trying to stock up on. And it also has a zipper, and it also has pockets. So the notions are 5 3/4 inch buttons. I'm sorry, it does not require zipper. It's only a button flap. So again, that's V2034. Pants, look at the detail on the pants. Pockets in the back. And you have pockets on the side. I like that. A button closure. So you only have one buttonhole. I believe these are just buttons that are sewn across the front. I'm not sure. No, I believe it has buttonholes. Let's see what's going on. See if we can quickly find out how it's looking. Yeah, they actually have buttonholes. So it's a flap closure with a buttonhole at the top. So that's row 2034. Moving on, and that's an easy pattern. And the rest, I have 4 more patterns, and they are all average patterns. So this is McCall's 8511. I like these shorts. A, you have 3 views, A, B, and C. And they're calling this shorts and pants. And it's rated average. And let's see the notions. You need a 7-inch zipper and 1 button. These are your line drawings here. And you can do color blocking with the wide leg pants. But I'm interested in A. Moving on, McCall's 8588. This is a unisex pattern, and it's rated average in 2 lengths. There are pants. Here are your line drawings. It requires 3/4 yard, 1 1/4 inch elastic, 1 7-inch zipper, and 1 5/8 inch button. So you got elastic and the zipper going on in the front waistband. It's a unisex pattern, and their sizes are extra small to 2XL, and it's M8588. McCall's 8576. I'm interested in view C. So you have 3 options here. It's a dress, and it's rated average, and the notions are 1 12-inch invisible zipper for A, B, and C. For A, 12 5/8 inch buttons. Also, for B and C, 1 pack of 1/2 inch single fold bias tape. 8 5/8 inch buttons. So you got buttons here, bias tape, and an invisible zipper for A and for B and C. Okay, so where's the zipper? Oh, for all 3 of them. Okay, so you got the buttons in the front, and you have a side zip on all three. Moving along, the last and final pattern from Simplicity.com. Sale is V1643. I like these. I love pleats and collars and bows. Love pleats. Kind of long. I will actually shorten it. I like the skirt. So you got A through D choices or selections to make. I like that style. These styles. Here are your line drawings. Mrs. Petite jacket, dress, and skirt, and it's rated average. Love this. Love skirts. I love pleats, large collars, and bows. And of course, everybody loves pockets. This is a nice pattern here. It has a wide range of selections of jacket, skirt. The jacket is of 2 lengths, I do believe. I'm not sure. You have your dress, your skirt, and your jacket. Yeah, A and B length. The notions are here. A long list of things. This is a sophisticated look. It reminds me of a Gucci style type garment. Love everything on this pattern. So that's V1643 Vogue with your choices of A, B, C, and D. Nice pattern, and it's rated average. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you all. Thanks to all of the new family members. I appreciate you joining the fam. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.